Hey everyone, welcome back to SAK Academy. Today I've got something really exciting for you. 10 amazing facts about artificial intelligence that will blow your mind. From ancient myths to futuristic cars, AI has fascinating past and an even more incredible future. Let's dive in. Did you know AI isn't as modern as we think? The concept of intelligent machine dates all the way back to ancient history. The Greeks had myths about automatons, mechanical being like Talos, a bronze gate that protected Crete. So the dream of creating intelligent machines has been around for centuries. Fast forward to today, AI is everywhere. Literally, every time you use Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, AI is powering your virtual helper. Even the emails that go to your spam folder and Netflix recommendations are thanks to AI algorithm working behind the scenes. AI can ever beat humans at games. Back in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat world chess champion. But it didn't stop there. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeated a world champion at the game of Go, a game so complex that it has more potential moves than chess. AI isn't just smart, it's creative too. Today, AI can compose music, write stories, and even generate unique artworks. Platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT can write poems and songs, while DeepArt can recreate famous paintings with just a few clicks. Who knew machines could be artists? Believe it or not, in certain fields like radiology, AI can analyze medical scans even better than human doctors. AI is able to detect subtle patterns in scans, such as early signs of cancer, which may be missed by the human eye. This evolution is changing healthcare for the best. Unlike traditional programming, AI doesn't rely on strict rules and code. It learns from data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. That's how AI system can improve over time, figuring out things for themselves without human interventions. AI can even be a journalist. Major news outlets like the Washington Post use AI to write simple articles, especially in areas like sports and finance. These AI driven articles are data driven and often produced in seconds. Who knows, maybe the article you read today was written by a machine. We all know about self driving cars, right? AI is at the core of this innovation. Companies like Tesla and Waymo use AI to help cars navigate streets, recognize traffic signals, and avoid collisions. And the best part, these systems get better as they drive millions of miles, learning from every trip. AI is also changing the job market. By 2050, it's predicted that many routine jobs in industries like manufacturing and customer service will be automated by AI. But don't worry, it's also creating tons of new opportunities in AI development, robotics, and more. Here's a fun one. AI can dream, sort of. Using a technology called Deep Dream, AI can analyze and visualize pattern in data, creating this surreal dream-like images. Google's Deep Dream project made headlines with its mesmerizing visuals that look like something out of dream. Pretty amazing, right? AI is already doing incredible things and will only keep evolving. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to SAK Academy, and click the bell for more AI and tech content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.